Look at 2018 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.